This is a 3-outlet outdoor yard stake. So if you want to stick something in your yard and have power come from it, this is what you get. And what do we have? We got the stake, which I'm just gonna pop these two together. Got it. Just want to stake something. And then we have this. So this is the cord. It's about a 6-foot cord. You have flaps that cover the outlets, which is nice. Those are spring loaded. Dun, 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 dun. Take the stake and just pop that on the other side. And there you go. You just jam that thing in the ground and it ain't gonna go nowhere because that's feeling pretty sturdy. Let's go test it out. All right, this is a good spot for it. So just push it in the ground. A little flimsy, but there we go. Get in there. Put it in the soft dirt. There we go. That ain't going anywhere. Run this back to your outlet, and there you go.